Today was your first day back and your first season 87 appearance. How was the experience?
Uh, Feels unreal eh. Sa game, pagpasok ko parang hindi ko alam ano yung mga nangyayari, hindi ko alam kung ano yung flow ng game. Siyempre kakabalik ko lang. And yun, sobrang unreal kasi halos 1 month ako nawala, and for a basketball player, matagal na yung 1 month na hindi nakikipag-compete.
After missing 2 games this season, you came back to this one strong and you provided that veteran presence. How do you maintain that after being absent for that long?
Siguro stick lang sa process, and lahat naman yung nakadepende sa team eh. Hindi na naman para sa akin. So, yung yung inspiration na pagbalik ko dito sa galing din sa team.